खिताब दूंगी ईशा सरफराज को।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. An aware nation, a secure homeland. Mr. President, a soldier standing at the border protects the land of a nation. I want to ask today, who protects its unity? Who protects its values? Who protects its institutions, its future, and its peoples from the dangers growing within? The answer is simple: an aware nation. Yes, an aware nation. Dear fellows, a country is not merely a piece of land surrounded by borders. It is a shared identity, a system of laws, a collection of values, and a promise made to future generations. A promise made to future generations. Walls can protect buildings, weapons defend borders, but and awareness, yeah. Awareness protect our nation from ignorance, division, corruption, manipulation, and internal collapse. We should focus on our education, as Hakim Muhammad Said has taught us that awareness requires a deep focus on education, health, and youth empowerment. Under his core national motto, Love Pakistan, Build Pakistan, Love Pakistan, Build Pakistan. True awareness does not simply mean degrees, reading books, or use of modern technology. An educated person can also break the laws, spot injustice, and remain silent before wrongdoing. Allah says in the Holy Quran, indeed Allah does not change the condition of people until they change what is within themselves. Until they change what is within themselves. खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली. खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली. ना हो जिसको ख्याल आ अपनी हालत के बदलने का. It means a nation condition changes when people change their thinking, their behavior, and their character. Dear audience, today, enemies does not attack with swords, tanks, or armies, but through cybercrime, religious hatred, political division, and psychological manipulation. We must know one fabricated video can provoke violence. One false headline can create fear, and one hateful message can turn neighbors against each other. An unaware nation follows every message, believes every accusation, and follows every loud voice. But an aware nation pauses and asks, who created this information? What evidence supports it? Who benefits from spreading it? Will sharing it unite society or destroy its peace? Dear fellows, a soldier can save the borders but cannot stop spreading hatred. The police can arrest criminals but cannot build honesty. A court can punish corruption but cannot develop integrity. A nation is divided into language, province, class, or political loyalty. The enemies no longer need to cross the border. अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुकद्दर का सितारा। Dear audience, when a student refuses to cheat, he protects the integrity of his country. When a shopkeeper refuses to sell harmful goods, he protects public health. When a driver follows the laws of traffic, he protects human life. He protects human life. Quaid-e-Azam gives us the principles: faith, unity, and discipline. Where faith gives us moral direction, unity gives strength, and discipline protects from the chaos. I would like to conclude these words. When a nation sleeps, conspiracies awaken. When a nation is divided, enemies become stronger. When a nation is careless, its institutions begin weaken. But when a nation is aware, lies lose their power, hatred loses its audience, corruption faces resistance, and enemies find no weakness to exploit. Awareness. Yes. Awareness is our weapon. Unity is our strength. Responsibility is our shield. And an aware nation is the true guardian of a secure homeland. मेरे कारवां हम थे, रूहे कारवां तुम हो। हम तो सिर्फ उन्मां थे, असली दास्तां तुम हो। नफरतों के दरवाजे खुद पे बंद ही रखना, इस वतन के परचम को सरबुलंद ही रखना, इस वतन के परचम को सरबुलंद ही रखना। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। जज़ाकल्लाह।